Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
When trying to start it with no throttle, it's definitely not the battery. Where are you going? I thought we were going to drop my bike off. So I'm coming across now towards your nan's house. I'm turning around by that road now, so I'll be up by Fridays now. Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm just heading to return the bike to get it sorted. Following the other half now to go there. I looked over the bike and my next door neighbour, he's got a bike. It's not good with engines, but I think it's a spark plug, because we did a reading on the battery. It was reading 1250. Yeah, I'm just pissed off that I'm having this issue so early on, and the most I did was wash it by hand, so a bit confused why I'm having issues. You know, I ACF 50'd everything, you know, all the bits that needed it, but obviously it's not good enough. Yeah, sorry guys, I haven't released much. Normally I'm making the episodes in the dozen, but because of this issue, and basically I'm doing day shifts, so when I leave, sorry, I have to lift the visor up a minute, got some fresh air on my eyes. When I actually leave for work, it's pitch black, so I'm gonna have to tinker with the settings and try and sort something out with that. Because yeah, there's no reason for the battery, there's no reason for anything else, you know, to have starting issues, you know. I take care of my bikes. But yeah, do you like the sticker? I'll try and get close to it in a minute. I put it on there. Think bike, boy? Yeah, that's a nice close-up. Think back. There's a picture of me. Ah, you shouldn't have your phone in your hand. It's called pull over. Put your finger there. Oh my God, what's she want now? Hello, Munchies. What do you want about? That's like it. It's supposed to be like it. Look, ready? See? Yeah, the one is on.
Yeah, we there.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like that, you weirdo. Dick. No, it. Yeah, it's on. Oh, yeah, up, yeah, I know which way. It's going, third exit, no? It should reroute you anyway. Yeah, this is the right way. I'm sure we went this. No. Yes, we did go this way. Past headwinds. Positive we did. So there's a cunt up here that sold a dodgy Vauxhall Tigra to us. Right up there. Up in that area, but yeah. Proper ripped people off. He actually had loads of complaints and someone actually taken him to court as well. Fucking hell! Fucking buckaroo then. So I'm watching the car in front of me. Pa-pa-pow! I think that was Boris. Being strung up. Man, this is why I love filtering. Bop 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 doo bop 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 doo bop doo bop.